In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Base44 project to another account. We'll go through the process from inside Base44, and the goal is to give the other account access to the project by inviting it as an admin. This is a simple workflow, but it's important to follow each part carefully so the receiving account gets the right level of access. Start by going to Base44 and signing into the account that currently owns the project. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on All Apps. This will open the full list of projects connected to your workspace, which makes it easier to find the one you want to move to another account. Next, select and open the project you want to transfer. Make sure you're opening the correct app before continuing, especially if you manage multiple projects with similar names. Once the project is open, click on Dashboard. This takes you into the main management area for that specific project. From the dashboard, click on Users. This is the section where you manage who has access to the project and what permissions they have. Since you want another account to take over or help manage the app, this is where you'll invite that account in with the appropriate role. Now click on Invite User. A form or input field should appear, allowing you to add a new user to the project. In the email field, type the email address for the other account you want to transfer the project to. Double check the address before sending the invite, because even a small typo can send access to the wrong place or cause the invitation to fail. After entering the email address, select admin as the role. This part is important because admin access gives the invited account the permissions needed to manage the project properly. If you choose a lower permission level, the other account may not be able to make the changes needed after the transfer. Once everything looks correct, click Send Invitation. That will send the invite to the other account so it can be accepted. At this point, the transfer setup is essentially complete from your side. The other account will need to receive and accept the invitation to gain admin access to the project. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to confirm that the invitation was sent successfully and that the receiving account can access the project after accepting it. And that's how to transfer a Base44 project to another account.